Welcome to the DESI ASTRO. In this tutorial, I am going to show you that how to interact with ESA SKY portal and how to download feeds images, data cube, spectra, and other stuff. So let's do it. Alright, so before going to ESA website, let's type here ESA SKY, right? So type here ESA SKY. So ESA stands for your European Space Agency. So click on that. So here you go to ESA SKY 6.1. Click on that. Go to your science mode, right? And here you can see that this is the portal of the ESA SKY, and it is an interactive portal. You can interact with your object. So here is a search bar. So you can search here a galaxy called ARP105, right? Search it. You can see it is resolving the object. So here you can see that this is my object, right? And you can choose your different colors, right? So you can go to your optical. There are different colors, so you can go for the red, and then here you have like color bars. So choose different color bars. So how the object will appear, okay, under different color bars. So black and white image. It's a reverse, white and black, right? So this way you can see your object in different colors, right? You can also add a different row. So you can add here, say, you can add for UV, right? So galaxy. So like galaxy is barely visible. It's loading. So galaxy is not much visible as compared to optical, right? This way you can do, and you can also delete this rows. Now go here, okay? So you can go to this bar. So here it contains explore image, okay, observation of this region. So in that region it will show the data from data of the image data, okay? So it's a 2D array. You can see the observation varies from gamma ray to radio, okay? I mean from the longest wavelength to the shortest wavelength, right? So you can see HST optical, HST near IR, Spitzer, Herschel, Akari, Exxon Newton, Chandra. So these are like data has been I mean these are the telescopes which observe this galaxy. So when you click on HST optical, see a window will pop up, and you can see there are like a region around this galaxy which contains this data. So when you click on that, you can see a particular region will be with white. So add more. You can see one more. So this way you can check that which region contains which object, right? So here you have download options, right? So you can download your data. So let's download it data. So here you can see that your data is being downloaded. This way you can download your feeds image data, right? Now come to here. So here you have a spectra or light curve for this region, okay? So click on that. You can see Lamost and Lamost MRS, okay, optical to near IR. And so you can also change the cursor, change this menu button for the wavelength region, and then you can click on that. So this is the spectra of the object, okay? So click on that, you can choose, and then you can download the spectra, okay? So this way you can download the spectra. Let's download the spectra. So see, it's downloading. So this is my spectra file. Okay. So this way you can download the spectra, right? Now here you can see the this is like the hat represents the publication in that region. Okay, so there are like 108 sources uh, available for this publication. So you can click on that object and it will uh, bring publication related to that object. Okay, so this way you can do the stuff. Click on that. So more object, more of publication will be popular. Okay, you can also minimize this windows, right? Now what else you can do? You can also like go to the object. So just click on that. So right click on that. You can see this object has array date of in this range, and you have like so many catalog are there. So click on Simbad and see here you can see nearby objects. Okay, in that regions with properties, whether it's a star, galaxy, or AGN, right? So you can also do from this, right? And you can also take a screenshot, okay, of the current preview, right? And from here you can turn on the coordinate system, right? You can turn on the coordinate system. And if you zoom out, you can see the whole. I mean, it is like a horizon in immediate direction. The telescope. When you zoom in, you can see the different objects. Okay, this is how the sphere look like, right? You can also share it for the current view. So if this is my current view, I can create a link, right? So this way you can do it. And then here you have so many video tutorials about this, how to do this stuff. And here you have go to the what option. So it's learn about ESA SKY. So click on that. So it will open another window, and here you can see that how to use this ESA SKY for your multi-purpose work. Okay, downloading and visualizing stuff. So this is a brief introduction I have given to the ESA SKY, that how to download fits image and spectra from the multiple telescope. Okay, so you have so many telescope, you can download the data, right? And here you can also like explore the multi messenger events, neutrino and gravitational waves from this data. And here go the telescope icon. So observation planning tool. So you can see that for different telescope, like what are some future planning tool available, right? So I hope this has helped you to gain insight about this ESA SKY interactive portal and how to download data like image and spectra to do further research on that. So thank you.